Hey everyone, I just got a set of 120 Ohuhu Kahuku acrylic markers and I can't wait to start experimenting with them. Unlike other acrylic markers, these don't have to be pumped. These markers have a direct ink delivery mechanism and they have the highest opacity among all acrylic markers, which makes them perfect for DIY projects on dark backgrounds like the one we're making today. Look at how beautifully they cover this black cardstock in just one stroke of the marker. For this project, and for the purpose of testing their opacity, I've chosen some smooth, dark river rocks. I've also printed out some of my favorite images of saints to make saint stones with some of the most incredible saints from all over the world. When printing, just make sure the images fit on the stones and don't take up too much room on the stone because we're coloring around them. The first thing I'm doing is cutting out the images. Once they're cut, I'm going to add some small slits around the edges so they can be applied to the curved stones without creating wrinkles. Mist them with a little bit of water first to relax the paper, then add some school glue to the back and adhere them to the rocks. When the images are dry, take a pencil and draw the nimbus, also called a halo or a glory. This first stone is Saint Kinga, the patron saint of Poland and Lithuania, who lived from 1224 to 1292. First, I'm filling in the area around the saint and the nimbus with a beautiful light blue. Look at how easily this flows onto the dark stone and covers it completely. The soft brush nib glides smoothly on all kinds of surfaces. Now I'm creating stripes around the halo on this next stone in tons of different colors. This is Saint Bridget of Sweden. Among many other things, she is famously known for the 15 prayers of Saint Bridget or the secret of happiness. Now I'll fill in the halos with black and a beautiful golden yellow. While these are drying, I'm going to work on some other stones. I like having a few projects going at the same time so I don't have to stop creating. I can just keep going and keep coloring. Saint Helena is best known as the mother of the Roman Emperor Constantine the Great. Saint Catherine of Siena was a 14th century Italian mystic and activist. She is primarily known for her tireless service to the sick and poor during the Black Death. The fun part for me, and the exciting thing about these Kahuku markers, is that I can go over any color with another color once the base color is dry. Look at how nicely the white covers the blue. The fine tips allow me to add fine lines and dots and really add some interest to the stones. It's easy to draw pattern on pattern with these markers, so you can add as much detail as you want. And by the way, these markers are waterproof, sun resistant, and quick drying. Now that my saint stones are all painted and dotted and decorated, I'm going to seal them with Minwax polyacrylic lacquer. I just want to make sure to protect the paper and add a shimmer to the stones and bring the look together. I really love these markers and I can't wait for my next project. Make sure to leave me a comment, even if it's just to say hi, okay? I'm going to leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want to see content that I don't post anywhere else, check out my Patreon page. And for inspiration, grab any one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts, and I will see you real soon. Bye.